If they cleaned it, or if it's what you want, then
Yeah. Well, yeah, I'd love to talk to you about it.
I got people that's wanting it if you don't.
Yeah, no, we need it. We absolutely need it. Yeah, we're doing a cross country journalistic style, YouTube show.
Oh, okay.
And I'm an actor and a filmmaker,
Cool.
and I moved to Texas to get out of Los Angeles, for some obvious reasons or not, come and raise some kids down here and stuff. And so now the shutdown had affected my industry really bad and put me out of work.
Yeah.
So I'm having to let my ex-wife take over the house for a while.
Oh, okay.
And now we're going to go on the road, me and a couple other filmmakers, and we're going to go and film, and have interviews with regular folks in regular towns all over, and people that have followed me in my career as well.
Okay, cool.
Do some cool stuff like that. So we're looking for, something like this to make it happen.
Well, you can walk around if you want to.
Yeah. I'd love to. And I know, as you said, it hasn't been attended to yet.
Oh, yeah.
No worries. I'm going to take a little gander around here.
Okay.
This is, look at that.
This is nice.
It's a beast. It's just an absolute beast. Wow. The Endura. Wow. All right. It's looking, that's great. All right.
Really? Thank you for service. He was
Fantastic.
Marine. And, he was stationed in Hawaii. Well,
Very nice.
thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. This is exactly like the other.
Oh, this is perfect, dude.
It's got the upstairs sleeper,
Perfect.
and then this folds out into a sleeper as well,
Yes.
right? And then
Yes.
it's got the back one back here.
Oh, this is like the perfect thing.
This slides out, and there's two slide outs in the back.
Okay.
The bed slides out, and so does that dresser. It all slides out and opens up.
Now, am I allowed to have a Chewini?
Gotcha.
I mean, they won't get on the furniture, will they?
She ain't gonna tear it up.
It's a tiny little thing.
Tiny little dog is like my
It's-
Yeah, this makes sense.
As long as if the dust tears them up, you're responsible.
Agreed. That's definitely.
And what was the going rate on this one?
This one I did. It was $250, but if you're gonna have it for the whole month, it's gonna be $200 a day.
$200. And is that all in, or does that include? Is there taxes and all that stuff on top of that, or?
The tax is there is tax on top of it. I'm not gonna charge you any mileage. It's usually 200 miles a day free.
Uh-huh.
But since you're gonna have it for a whole month, I won't charge you any mileage.
We might actually end up having it for more than a whole month.
Okay.
Like if
We're gonna
like,
keep trying to raise fundraise the whole time.
Okay.
And if we like, we'll
And we would promote whoever we make a deal with and take the truck. We'd add a
So we need a box of your cards.
Okay.
and we would also advertise it on the show as a banner ad on our show as well.
Okay.
Like,
during the whole trip.
Special thanks to Rick's RV and all the everything.
Yeah.
If I do get some business, I'll give you a discount. But
Yeah, of course. No, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand.
But like we're hoping a complete, almost to the election. We're hoping we can raise enough funds every month.
That we can stay on the road all the way up until November.
Yeah,
okay.
and that'll be a guaranteed big money in your pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get out of here because it's boiling hot. I know we're all sweating our
Yeah,
nuts
this
off.
is- this is
Woo!
perfect. What do you think?
So at 200 a day, ooh, I mean 1,400 a week. No, man. I mean, that's almost the whole entire budget. Oh my God. It's almost the whole budget. I'm not sure what we're going to be able to do here. Rick's RV, great guy. I mean, fantastic dude. Is willing to give it to us for 200, and it's got the rollout sides and all that, which gives a little bit more room inside. 200 is about the cheapest deal that we're ever going to find for something like this. He said normally he would charge $250, he'd give it to us for 200, but I'm very concerned about the budget. Very concerned. I don't know if I don't see how we can do it. Maybe we pay. I mean, I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Well, I'm going to talk to Rick, and If you're ever out this way, this is the setup. Most of the rentals are tow ones, but he does have a few drivables. I'm sure he has more as well. It's Rick's RV out in Conroe, Texas. So please, you know, if you are interested in getting an RV and you're in this area, do check out Rick's. He's a great guy. All right. All right, so we're gonna have to make a deal with this. It's he's gonna give us $200 a day for the first 2 weeks. The third week he's gonna drop it down in half and give us $100 a day. That's not including the taxes and stuff. So I'm gonna find out from him when he talks to his wife about this further, and talk to him tomorrow and see where we're at. But it's got everything we need. It's got the look. It's hilarious. I feel like we're going to a World Wrestling Federation you know, outdoor party. Anyway, I think we got it. I think we got it. Fingers crossed. Looks good.